Rakshabandhan is the festival to cherish the beautiful memories and strengthen the bond between the siblings. It's a symbol of love, care, and affection. It brings the feeling of oneness and unity among the family members. Sisters tie Rakhi on the wrist of brothers. In the market, the beauty of this festival starts to appear many days in advance. Rakshabandhan is being celebrated since ages. It is celebrated on the full moon day of Shravan month. There are many mythological stories behind it. They are Goddess Lakshmi tied Rakhi around the wrist of Bali, and on asking about the return gift, she asked Bali to free her husband from the vow and let him return to Vaikunt. Bali agreed. This is the first reason why we celebrate Rakhi. Another story is from Mahabharata. Once Shishupal crossed his limit to insult Lord Krishna in front of the whole court. Lord Krishna aimed his Sudarshan Chakra and beheaded his head. As Lord Krishna aimed his Sudarshan Chakra, his finger got cut. Seeing this, Pandava's wife Draupadi came and immediately tore a piece of her sari and wrapped it around the wounded finger. Lord Krishna promised her to help her whenever she be in trouble. Later, Lord Krishna indeed kept his promise and rescued her when Kauravas tried to insult her by dragging her sari. Since then, sister tie Rakhi around the wrist of brother and brother assure them to always protect them. Sisters prepare puja thali with kumkum, diya, flowers, rice, sweets, and Rakhi. They pray to God for the well being of their brothers. If you like the video, don't forget to subscribe, like, and share it. Thank you.